Hello everyone, let's start with the series roadmap to become competitive programmer 5 star. So in this video I'll be solving the 34th problem and the problem name is maximize the tastiness. Okay, yeah. So chef is making a dish that consists of exactly two ingredients. So okay, yeah, chef is making a dish which consists of only two ingredients. He has four ingredients A, B, C and D with tastiness A, B, C, and D respectively. Okay, there are four ingredients, and they have said its tastiness are A, B, C, and D. So we use either A or B as the first ingredient, and either C or D as the second ingredient. Oh, I got it. What they're saying, I'll tell you on the board. So the tastiness of a dish is the sum of the tastiness of its ingredient. Find the maximum possible tastiness of the dish that chef can prepare. Okay, I'll tell you, don't worry. The first line of input will contain a single t denoting number of test cases. Okay, yeah, so int t, c int t, while t minus minus, this will take care of all the test cases. The first and only line of each test case consists of four separate integers a, b, c, and d. Okay, there are four integers a, b, c, d. See, let us take their values from the input, and the A, B, C, and D are basically the tastiness of the ingredients. For each output on a new line, maximum possible tastiness of the dish. That can be okay. Got it. So they've got two test cases, and in first test case, tastiness values are 3562. Let me take you to the board. It was 3562. 3562. So in the question, what they're saying is, chef wants to prepare a dish and which consists of two ingredients. Okay, two ingredients, and the first ingredient will either be A or B. You cannot take first ingredient as C. Got it? That they're saying. And second ingredient is that so second ingredient, what saying, you will have to choose either C or D, because we want to prepare a dish. So you will have to take to prepare dish, you will have to choose two ingredients, and in first ingredient, what you are choosing, only E or A or B. Let's say I'm choosing first ingredient as A, then second ingredient will I'll have to choose either, like we'll have to choose either C or D. So let me choose as C. So this is our first ingredient, dish type 1, D1 let me call. One dish is prepared using ingredient A and C, and its tastiness will be given by A plus C. Got it? So I've taken A. One more I want to, since I've taken C, prepared it, and I want to take now D. So AD is one more dish whose tastiness is A plus D. Got it? Now first ingredient I'll take B, and I'll take second ingredient C. So this is dish 3, let's say, and its tastiness is given by B plus C. Let me take in fourth case, let me take first ingredient as B, second ingredient as C. So this is dish 4 types, and its taste will be given by B plus C. So only 4 possible dishes can be prepared out of the given condition, right? So basically we'll have to find all these 4 values: A plus C, A plus D, B plus C, B plus D. Once we find out all the value, and whatever value is giving you maximum, that is basically we'll have to return it as the answer. So this was the first case. Let's find A plus C value. A plus C is what? 3 plus 6, which is 9. Now let's find A plus D. I'm finding A plus D. A plus D is 5. Let's find B plus C. This is case B plus C, which is 11. 5 plus 6 is 11. Now let's find B plus D. B plus D, which is 7, this case. So if you happen to see in all the cases, if you happen to choose a dish BC, so the tastiness of the dish will be maximum. So our answer is this thing. I think you got how to solve this. So answer is 11 only. Again, same thing you'll have to do with this case also. I think you guys can do this. uh, just find a plus bc, so like that. Now let me try to code it up here. Int d1 is basically dish 1, or let me call this way, ac is basically the taste of the dish prepared by using ingredient a and c. So it will be a plus c. Let me call ad, which is basically a dish of tastiness having ad, which is prepared using two ingredients a plus d. In the same way, we'll have to find bc, which will be b plus c, and we'll have to find bd, which is b plus d. Once we got all the four, I mean these values, so the dish, I mean out of this AC, AD, BC, and BD, these are the tastiness. Whichever is the maximum tastiness, that we'll have to basically choose. They're saying find the maximum possible tastiness of the dish that the chef can prepare. So out of all these four, whichever is the maximum that chef is going to prepare. So you will have to out maximum of these four value: AC, AD, BC, BD, BD. That's it. Let's try to run the code. Yeah, it is running fine. 11:21, 11:21 we got. Let's try to submit the code. Okay, it is saying partially incorrect. Got it. Why it is saying partially incorrect? It has failed on test 2 case. Okay, let's try to find it out why. Basically, I'll be doing a live code. That's why I've not submitted first. Let's figure out in this video only. The first line of input can denote number of test cases. A B C D, we have A B C D, which is correct. AC, ingredient A, ingredient C, ingredient A, ingredient D, BC, BD, and we are just outputting max of AC, AD, BC, BD. That is true, and I don't think so overflow is also happening, because it is 100, values are 100, and we have test cases also 100 only. Okay, it is saying solution failed on this test case. Got it. Expected is 56, but we are giving 54. Why is it happening? AC is 4, AD. Yeah, AC is 4, AD is 54, BC is 6, and BD is 56, which is correct. But why my code is going that way? We'll have to figure it out. AC, AD, BC, BD. So maximum of all this we'll have to return. Let's take one variable answer, and we'll have to find max of AC, comma max of AD, comma max of. Oh, my bad. I got to know what is the why it is giving. See, I've written 2 times BC. It is BDR. So yeah, now let's try to submit the code. It will accept. Yeah, it got accepted. Sorry, actually it was written BC. That's a logical error basically. Yeah, so thank you guys. So this was a way you could solve the problem. So thank you for watching the video.